Hi, my name is Ana Maria and I'm Junior Software Developer at QiTASC, and I will present you now how to flash a Nexus 5X phone. First thing that you have to do is to install the Android SDK. For that you should use the QiTASC Cockpit application. You go to the menu and you go to Install Android SDK option. In my case it has already been installed, so I don't need to do this, but it's very easy for you to do it. Just press that option, accept the license, and that's it. Next you have to download the image files that would be provided to you by the QiTASC team. I have already done that step. I have downloaded everything in directory. I have here the bootloader, bullhead image, the radio bullhead image, and the Android Nexus 5X zip. You should be very careful when you download the images and the zip file to be for the phone that you are planning to flash. The bullhead is the code for the Nexus 5X phone, and this is how I knew what file to download. I have also downloaded this script that will help me flash the phone easily. Next I have to prepare the phone. I go to Settings, System, About Phone, and press this build number many times so that I would be set as developer. Now that I'm a developer, I can go to developer options and I have to enable the OEM unlooking. As you can see here, it has already been enabled and I cannot even enable it. And also the USB debugging mode has to be on. Yeah, done. Now I have to connect to the computer. For that I am using an USB-C cable. Now I have to reboot the phone in fast boot mode. For that I have first to power off. Okay, and now I will power on by pressing both volume buttons and then the power button. Release the power button and only after that the volume buttons. Now, as you can see by the image, is already in fast boot mode. Next I will move to the computer and confirm the fast boot mode. For that I type sudo fast boot devices and I see the fast boot in there, which is good, and I unlock the OEM. Yeah, it says already unlocked, good. That will actually unlock the bootloader. And next I have to flash the phone. For that I have to switch to that directory where I have my images, to downloads in my case, and flashing Nexus 5X phone. And I just have to sudo and run the script file that I have. Yeah, and it's already starting. It will take a while until the new Android will be on the phone. Now we just have to wait. Now that the flashing has been done, I will wait for the phone to reboot. It's already rebooting. The phone has restarted. As you can see, we have a new Android on it. And the last step is to disable the OEM unlock. We go to Settings, About Phone. We enable the developer mode. Go to developer options now. And OEM unlooking is enabled and I will disable it. And the USB debugging mode has to be on, which is good. And that's it. This is how you flash a Nexus 5X phone. Next I will run the Intact and show you the phones that are connected to Intact. Actually the only phone. So first step is go to the installer and start the ADM. Okay, started. Next, I have to also start the QiTASC server. Start. This will take a while. Now that the QiTASC server is running, let's try and see if the phone can be reached. For that, I go to my local host where the QiTASC is running and /phones to see the phones. As you can see in here, the phone has been connected to QiTASC and it's ready to run tests on it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and I wish you a good day.